He clearly thought that water bottle was a lightweight accessory until the physics of the hunter becomes the hunted because you forgot to check your six. You're a hairless cat, but you still have a crippling addiction to being a little chaos gremlin. He's not even... You are 100 convinced the cat is sharing your joy, but the cat is actually 100 reconsidering... You were born to pull sleds through the Arctic, but your owner moved to Florida.
Huh?
You try to follow your mom into the room, but the door has a strict no minors policy. Heist was going perfectly until the witness in the hallway decided to go on a casual stroll. Now I have to... You accidentally activate your cat's drift mode and you realize... White cat really thought it was the main character until the brown one decided to join the scene. Looks like someone just realized they aren't the only one on the guest list. Would you like me to try a shorter, one-liner version for it? Milk was so good he lost his center of gravity and his dignity in under 2. Your cat finally realizes that the weird, spotted dog in the yard is actually a professional headbutter and not just a tall, clumsy kitten.
Can you read this? Oh my god!
The neighbors start arguing outside and you have to act like you are just stretching so you don't look like the neighborhood gossip.
Hey, you fucking laughing, you stupid bitch. Keep fucking playing with me. I'm not playing with you.
Your human thinks they are a stylist, but they actually just turned you into a 14th century monk with a midlife crisis. You are trying to act cool, but your cat is the one actually running the house. I am just following the fluffy boss to the kitchen for the third breakfast of the day. Exact moment he realized that curiosity doesn't just kill the cat, it also destroys its sense of smell. Zero thoughts, just vibes, and a grape-sized glitch in the Matrix.
Yo, dumbass.
Your two brain cells finally meet, but they both have the right of way.
Здравствуйте. Вы хотите, пока вас достанут туда?
Your alarm clock has no snooze button and zero boundaries. Really calculated the trajectory, assessed the risks, and decided the best course really hit the eject button on that cat. 1 minute you are the captain of the ship, and the next you are wondering why the ground... You Try to fight the vacuum, but it has the high ground and a better reach. This cat is officially auditing for the next Mission Impossible. Your only competition is the handsome stranger in the mirror who also happens to be a fast eater. You leave the door open for a second and the neighborhood deer decides it is officially indoor cat season.
Okay, I guess.
This is how you end up with a roommate who only pays.
Are you kidding me, Lilo?
Try to start a fight but accidentally activate your sneeze reflex and then have to swing blindly to save your dignity. You realize you're the main character in a horror movie, but you're too cute to be the first one to go. Try to play it cool after a while.
She's getting excited.
Finish a 1,000-piece puzzle in under 3 seconds. Follow me for more interior design tips. The 3 o'clock p.m. slump hits, but you are the only one holding the entire... New Singer's sewing machine is a lot fuzzier than...
Hey, get down the fiddling, get down.
We're halfway there. Oh, we're halfway there.
I think your sofa just gave birth to a cat. That or this kitten is losing a very intense game of hide and seek with a bolster. The main character meets the side quests but hasn't decided which one to ignore first. One kitten is out here trying to fight a statue while the other is currently being defeated by a bag of Doritos. Life is about choices and both of them chose chaos today. You realize your human has been holding the treats at eye level for 3 minutes just to get the light. Finally found a fruit with the same color palette as his fur and decided this was now a family reunion. He is currently 10 banana and 90 confused. Would you like me to write a few more options with a different comedic style? Your cat hears the first kibble hit the bowl but realizes the patio is a slip. Cat spent 5 minutes calculating the trajectory, wind speed, and gravitational pull only to realize.
Банда умных и находчивых. Да? На грядке бьемся за сладкий перец. Ну, вот так. Мы едим прям с куста. Все по очереди. Ну что? Вкусно.
Your teammate is a literal bird but still has a better vertical and higher basketball IQ than you. Look at that form. LeRaven James in the building. Your friend says they are not judging you but their face is clearly doing all the heavy lifting. Try to style on the pillow but gravity has other plans. Orange cat activities. You realize the person you were just talking smack about is standing right behind you.